Welcome to co-working space today of the Skool Community for the Fork Reskilling HQ. We're talking today about templates, AI templates. And what I'm going to do real quick is walk you through how I set this up. So you see the team. You got to set up the team. Right now, starting today, they're changing, replacing the operation with credits as a new unit of billings. You can see right here, I haven't really used that much, but starting today, it will be credits. Okay, so you should have the email if you haven't already gotten it. But the big thing is how to set up the scenarios. You can see in May when I started right there, these are the scenarios that I set up. Okay, so I set up create Instagram posts with photos generated by OpenAI. You can see right there the amount of information that was used, right? So you can see I connected the OpenAI to the Chat GPT and then Instagram business, if that makes sense. So you can see all the information that were activated by dates. So this is actually working without me doing anything. As you can see, this is some of the exchange of information. All right. So this has been ongoing with the data. You can see each one of them. Details doesn't exist, but that's fine. But when you look at this chart right here, you can actually see the trend when it started and when it really failed or whatever. So if I say generate an image, that's one thing you could do. You could actually generate an image, create an Instagram post with photos generated by OpenAI completion, right? All right, so you can run it once. Once you run it, what's going to happen is it's telling you you've rocked the free plan level up. Okay, so if I wanted to get more data plan, then I could get more. Okay, but the key is to understanding how to use OpenAI and actually create something that you can run. Okay, so in this scenario, is really did what I wanted to do. The other piece is the connections. Okay, you got to know exactly what you're connecting to. Like right now, I reauthorized my link to LinkedIn for the Fork Reskilling Jobs Guide, so that got reauthorized. You also have the link to the Facebook Fork Reskilling HQ got reauthorized. My OpenAI connection got verified. You can see all the verification thing right there. And these are the connections because you got to have the connections. And here's other kind of things which you could use to understand exactly where this works. Okay, so the bottom line though is through Make, you can actually start running AI agents to do exactly what you want to do. All right, so you can see average daily users in 3 days, active scenarios. I have 2 of those there. If I wanted to upgrade, I just click this upgrade button right here, and then you see the plan. So you can have a free plan, which I had 0 just to start out to get a good idea of what this is. You got the core plan, which is $9 per month. All right, you got the pro plan, $16 per month, and then you got you can actually buy it for your teams if your teams are growing. So that's what this is about. Okay, so I wanted to just use this time to tell you that, hey, look, you can use AI to start leveling up with yourself. Okay, you see that plan right there, the free plan. If you go to $9 per month, you get 10,000 credits per month. If you go to $1,600 per month, that's 120,000 credits per year. This is billed yearly. This is billed monthly, but you can see the yearly plan, and it's $29. So again, here's some AI agents right here. I've already configured one right now just for this class. I want to create motivational quotes. Okay, so you can learn how I configured this one. Basically, I gave it a prompt: create daily motivational quotes designed to help social media and music entrepreneurs stay the course and reach out to me for help with business strategy and funding. Post these quotes daily to my TikTok profile at. You get it? So I told it that, and I uploaded something about why Shopify needs, why musicians need Shopify. You can upload you can also add context. So in this situation, if I wanted to add context, it's the same thing. You can upload stuff, and that helps with the context piece, and that's what you see on here. So here's the server, and here's system tools, and if you click on here, you can add system tools, but for now I'm not doing that, so I saved that. So that's how you kind of like create these scenarios. Make sense? All right, so now what you need to be able to do is understand. Okay, so I have 2 active scenarios. As you can see, 2 active scenarios within this particular thing. I integrated this to my LinkedIn integration, and I also have something that's linked to. If I click it, you see exactly what I'm talking about. It's linked to the HTTP get a file. So if I wanted to get a file from a HTTP, which is a website, that's what this is supposed to do. All right. So it's an integration. So if I run it once, it's going to tell me, hey, you need to upgrade. But the key to this, folks, and the reason I'm using this as one of our open co-working space is to tell you, hey, you can actually start using some of these tools. You can start using them, get comfortable using them. Okay. There's also like tutorials there that, like for this one, say start with AI automation easy. You can watch them. Once you get in there for the free plans, you can start playing around and understanding how this thing works. Okay. Again, if you need to reach out to me on how to start your AI integration, I'm going to leave a link somewhere below. Okay. Just comment right here and let me know exactly what you're doing. Okay, so you see subscription plans, like I told you, I just kind of told you. You can talk about payments. This is how you ready for more features. You compare plans, your payment. There's no payment right now. Apps install. You can also install apps. So all kinds of variables. Date, organization, operations, All right. So that's all I have. If you have questions and if you want to learn more about AI agents and stuff, reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right.